Hey guys, I'm celebrity trainer Holly Erlinger. It's time to break out your skinny jeans and get your butt in shape. We'll start with the standard squat. Come on, let's go. Plant your feet a bit wider than your shoulders. Push your hips back and squat down. Let's hold this for a full breath. Push through your heels and drive your hips forward to your starting position. I think it's time you and I try a few together now. Feet are shoulder width apart, right? Chest is up tall. Go ahead and bring your hands up and push your butt back behind you. Squat down low. Exhale. That's one. Get your butt way back. Nice, that's two. Now push your knees out to the side. Don't let them fall together. That's three. We got two more. Let's do this. Nice. Last one, deep breath. Right back up, squeeze your glutes, shake it off. So you want to turn that move into a workout? Here's what I suggest. Go ahead and try to do 12 to 15 reps. Take a minute break and do 2 more sets of that 12 to 15. That's a great workout.